The Boeing P-8A Poseidon, which was designed to find and sink submarine ships, is fitted with a maritime radar, enabling all-weather imaging and classification of ships and submarines. The plane is also equipped with electro-optical infrared sensors capable of heat detection. A magnetic detector at the tail of the plane identifies metallic objects in the ocean by picking up disturbances in the magnetic field. Typically, a creeping line search pattern is employed when the search area is large. While an expanded square search pattern is used when the search target is believed to be in a small area.